If you read one email, you will earn $2. If you read 10 emails, you may get paid over $20. As you can see, people from Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, Kenya, and different countries around the world, withdrawing over $2, over $6, and even over $10 every minute from this website by just opening and reading emails. So here, you can get paid to read emails worldwide and from any country around the world. All you have to do is to open up the email, read it, and just click on confirm this paid email, and boom, you will be credited with 80 cents, over $1, and sometimes over $2 for just reading emails. I will show you two websites today to earn money online reading emails. And the second one is my favorite because that's where you can get paid the most amount of money for each email you read. But before we start, I want to introduce you to this new play-to-earn games app called Dollar Shooter. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can download this app using that link. Once you install the app, you can open it and it will ask you for the invite code. And the good thing is that you can use my code, which is CashPro, and you will be credited with 300,000 coins. So as you can see, I am about to play the first level of this game. And to start playing, all I need to do is tap on the screen and the game will start. So all we have to do is to collect as many positive green dollar signs as possible and try to avoid the red and negative numbers as much as possible. And if there is no choice to avoid them, just choose to mess with the small negative numbers. One thing you must have noticed is that you are continuously shooting $1 straight to the number in front of you. Whether your own number is positive or negative, you will keep shooting the positive $1 to the numbers in front of you. And this will increase the positive number and it will decrease the negative red number, which is really awesome. And as you can see, I have completed the first level. Now the good thing is that you can increase your earnings by 4 times by just pressing this claim button at the right time. So let me press this just right now. And I have got a chance to multiply my earnings by 4 times by just watching this ad. And after the ad, I will be credited with the money I earned in my balance on top right corner. Now I am on the second level. So now let me complete the second level. So let's tap on the screen. The level here are almost similar, so they don't really get any difficult. The two important things you need to keep in mind while playing the game is that you don't try to mess with the red negative numbers just like you are seeing on the screen right now. And the second thing is if you don't destroy these black pillars with your $1 shots, they will immediately kill your money and your level will fail. And as you can see, I have completed the second level too, and now I can again multiply my earnings here by 3 times more money. And you can see that the same has been credited to my account after I finished watching the ad. Now I am on the third level, so let's start playing this level also, and let's see what we earn from here. As you can see, I have completed this level, so let's multiply our earnings by 4 times again by watching this ad, and I have been credited with the money. Now, let me share with you some bonus ways to earn money with this game. So first of all, you can spin this wheel and earn money. So let's click on the spin button, watch an ad, and as you can see, I have won $1,000 points by spinning the wheel, and the same has been credited to my balance in front of you guys. Another bonus to increase your earnings is to spend some amount of your earnings on these 3 features of this game, which can help you to multiply your earnings 10 times. And the last bonus to increase your earnings is to click on this icon over here. As you can see, you can invite a friend, share your referral code with them, and as soon as they use your referral code, you will be credited with $100,000 coins in your balance for every friend you refer, which is really amazing. Now let me play this game so that I can share with you the withdrawal proof from this game. So let's wait. So as you can see, I have earned a total of 10 million coins on my balance by just playing this game for a day, and 1 million coins are equal to $1. Now I can withdraw my earnings by clicking on this money icon on the left, so let's click on it. As you can see, I can withdraw anywhere from $2 up to $10 depending on my balance. And because I have over 10 million coins, I can withdraw $10 from here. Then you just have to choose the different payment methods available here, but I love PayPal the most, so I am going with it. Then you just need to enter your PayPal email here and enter your phone number registered with your PayPal account in the next box, and just click confirm. After that, we just need to wait for 10 business days, so let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have been credited with $10 in my PayPal account, which was sent by Dollar Shooter. Once again, I will leave a link to this play-to-earn gaming app in the description of this video, and in the pinned comment, you can download it from there and start to earn money by playing this game, okay? So like this video, and let's start with the first website on our list where you can make money just by reading emails. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see here, you can get paid for reading emails, and these are the 3 simple steps to get paid. First, you just sign up for a free account. Second, you open up emails and read them. I will show you a real-life example of how to do that. Third step, you can get paid in real money every single day, which you can later withdraw into your PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, or in many other gift cards available here. But in order to start earning money on this website, you must have 2 things ready. First, you must have a PayPal account ready. Don't worry if you don't have PayPal in your country, country, I will give you a solution for that. But first, those who have PayPal available in their country, I want you to create an account by clicking this sign up button. For now, you can create an individual account, and once you receive your first payment, your account will be automatically converted into a business account. Now, if you don't have PayPal in your country, you can still easily withdraw your earnings in the form of different gift cards available here. The second thing that you must have is an email account. You can use a Gmail account for this, but if you don't have a Gmail account, you can create a free Yahoo Mail, and you can use that for receiving emails. Now, the name of this website is paidtoreademail.com. This website is available worldwide, and you can use it to earn money from any part of the world. As you can see, here you can get paid for reading paid emails online. You will receive daily paid emails in your inbox, and you can get paid every time you confirm reading them. And the good thing is that they also give you $3 sign-up bonus once you join and activate your account on paidtoreademail.com. So just come to the top of this website where you can register yourself for completely free. The registration process is a bit complicated, so pay close attention to it. First, you need to select your gender, then enter your first name, enter your email ID, create a strong password, retype the same password, and just click on this sign up button. Then on the next page, you need to enter your last name, the zip code, or the postal code for your city or village. Check I have read terms and conditions, check I am not a robot, and just click the sign me up button. You will be logged into your account, and this is how your dashboard will look like. You can see that the $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account, which you can confirm by checking your account stats on right hand side. Now, the best thing about this website is that you can use it on both your smartphone and on your computer or laptop device. Now, if you scroll down a little bit here, you will find different ways to earn free cash on paidtoreademail.com, such as you can complete cash surveys, and you can earn anywhere from 50 cents up to $1 per survey you complete. Or you can complete some cash offers and all to make free extra cash on this website. But today we want to make money reading emails online, so we just need to select the paid email option right here and click on this Earn More Reading Emails button right here. And that's going to take us to this page where you can see all your paid emails you have received on your Gmail account or on your Yahoo Mail account. And because this is a brand new account, it's showing inbox is empty. But in a few hours, we will receive the email directly into our Gmail account, so let's wait for it. So after 3 to 4 hours, I received my first mail from paidtoreademail.com. So this is how your paid emails will look like. And now all you have to do is to click on confirm this paid email, and that's going to take you over to some website randomly just like this. Now you simply have to stay on the website and wait for at least 30 seconds. And during that time, you have to browse along the website to make sure to the website that you are a human and not a bot. Basically, you can just scroll through the website and hover your mouse around, and once the 30 seconds are over, you can close the website, and you will be immediately credited with the points in your account. On Paid to Read Email, 100 points are equal to $1, and you can see that I have received 80 points in my account, which means I have earned 80 cents for reading that email. So now let's wait for another paid email. And as you can see, I received the second paid email within 2 hours from the first paid mail. Once again, you just have to click on confirm this paid email, and that's going to take you to some random website like this. You just have to stay here for 30 seconds. So just scroll up and down on this website and hover your mouse around. And after 30 seconds, you can close this website. As you can see, I have again been credited with 80 more points for opening and reading that email, which means I received 80 cents more to my account on this website. And you can do this on both your phone and on your computer device. But for our future videos, comment down below the device you use the most, a mobile device or a computer or laptop device, so that I can create more related videos for you. Now, the good thing is that you just need a minimum of $15 in your account to take withdrawal from this website. And out of those $15, you already received $3 as a sign-up bonus, so you just need to earn $12 more reading emails, and you can take your first withdrawal from here. So all you have to do is to click on my account and select the redeem points option from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can see your balance on the top, and that you will receive your payment within 3 business days for whatever payment method you choose. If you scroll down here, you can see the different payment methods available here. So you can either pay 50 points on this website to get guaranteed paid emails daily on your account, or you can withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account, or as an Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, and many other e-gift cards available here. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video, and I will create a payment proof video for you guys. Now, the second website on our list is called volutic.com. On Volutic also you can get paid for reading emails, as they have clearly mentioned here, earn money by reading emails. And the good thing is that you only need to earn 20 cents to take withdrawal from this website, which is really awesome. And if you want, you can see the payment proofs of Volutic by clicking payment proofs. And you will be taken to this page where you can see that different people around the world are withdrawing money every minute from Volutic. So Volutic is available in almost all countries around the world, and you can earn money on volutic from anywhere in the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more related videos for you guys. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to register yourself by clicking the register button right here. That's going to take you to this page. So just create a username, enter your email, create a strong password, check on the terms of service, check the privacy notice, and just click on register to register yourself. Volutic will send you an activation link to your email. You just need to click on that link to activate your account. And once you see the operation successful on your screen, you can click on return to homepage to log into your account. And once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, the most important thing, Volutic will send you a second mail regarding how you can get paid to read email ads of Volutic. And for this, you need to add Volutic's this email to your contact list on Gmail. So just click on these three dots and select filter messages like this. A pop-up window will open. You just need to click on create filter from there. Then make sure to check the boxes star it and never send it to spam. Then in the categorize as section, I want you to select the primary and hit create filter once again. Now to add Volutic to your contacts, click on the contacts icon on the right panel of your Gmail account and select create contact from there. In the first name field, you need to type in the Volutic, then copy the provided Volutic email from the mail and paste it into this email field. Finally, click on the save at the bottom to save the contact. After completing these steps, you will start receiving emails from Volutic, and all you have to do is to open these emails and click on the promotional link inside. So let's click on this link. Upon clicking the link, a website will open up. So now you have to stay on this website until this loading completes 100%, which will take 20 to 30 seconds to complete. And once it completes, you will be credited with the money in your Volutic account. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.